Hello friends, I am Chef Piyush. In this training video, I will show you how to make hummus. Hummus is popular in Middle Eastern cuisine around the globe and it can be found in canned or bottled form in most of the grocery stores. But homemade version has its own charm because it is made fresh and we all know that fresh always tastes good. In this video, I will show you not only how to make hummus but will also show you how to make tahina, which is a very important ingredient in the recipe of our hummus. So it means we are not going to use any of the canned or processed ingredient in our recipe. So let's start making it. So we start our process by roasting sesame seeds. For this, we are taking a thick bottom frying pan. Now we are going to weigh our sesame seeds, which are coming approximately 35 grams. Now we are going to put it on a medium flame to roast. I am going to weigh my other ingredients in this mixer grinder jar, and I am putting my boiled chickpeas which were kept in refrigerator for grinding. Here the temperature of chickpeas matters too much while making hummus because if we use freshly boiled chickpeas on a high temperature, the emulsion formation will not take place and your hummus will not be that smooth. The second ingredient which I am going to weigh is garlic. The third ingredient which I am going to pour is lemon juice. For squeezing lemon juice, I am going to use a spoon. The fourth ingredient which I am going to pour is salt. We will stir our pan so that our sesame seeds won't get burned. The fifth ingredient is ice, which I am going to take out from my freezer. I am going to put 4 cubes of ice in this grinder jar. You can see the sizes of the ice cubes in my hands. Now I'm gonna pour olive oil in this. My sesame seeds are roasted now. It's time to take the pan out from the flame. Now we will start grinding our weighed ingredients. As the mixture is quite thick, I'm gonna put 2 more ice cubes in this. The mixture is perfectly smooth, as you can see. This is what exactly we wanted. We just give one more churn. Now we will take the grinder jar out from the machine. Now we will take another grinder jar to make our tahina. I am going to put my roasted sesame seeds in this grinder to make tahina. I will add some olive oil in this to make it into a paste form. Now I am going to add little more olive oil in this to make it into a paste form. Our tahina is ready now. It's time to add tahina in our chickpea mixture. Now we will give a churn in the mixer to mix everything all together. My hummus is ready now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with more informative training videos like this on YouTube.